Well, howdy, howdy, howdy. Nearly Senior Citizen here. Greetings, boys and girls, and welcome to this, another Reddit reading reaction. Although this says retro games, it is not, in fact, the retro game subreddit. It is Animals Being Derps, where it is pictures, GIFs, and videos of animals acting like complete idiots. I've sorted for the top of the month and scrolled down 21 of them. So, this has to lead somewhere. And I'm sorry I'm hissing and slurring around my dentures. Oh, so it's just, it thinks it's on a real track, so it's just going round and round and round. That is really cute though. That is a tiny, tiny, cute little snake. That is really cute. I am scratching my eyelid. Oh, it itches a lot, but soon it's gonna hurt from my doing this. Ow. But that's very, very cool. I really like this picture. That's a very cute little snake. So I like that a lot. Hopefully they're all gonna be really, really cool like that. My dog stole the head of a dish brush. Oh my! That is a silly looking little mouth on that doggy there. Because of that brush there. What a silly dog. That's very cool. I like that. It's very cute. Very, very cute. I like this so far. They're all very wholesome. I like that a lot. So, oh, there's a corgi in the preview, so I am a burrito. Oh, and it is a burrito too. I love corgis. They are so cute. And that little corgi is so proud of itself for grabbing and rolling, and rightfully so. That is very, very awesome. What a cute, cute, cute little corgi. I like corgis. That's a good doggy. I could tell it was a good doggy though, because it's a doggy. And that means, not all doggies are cute. Some are frightening and some are majestic, but that one was very cute. Anymore. So they call him the finger muncher. Scratchy, 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 scratchy. Oh. Got your finger. Definitely. Okay, smokes. What a silly doggy. Arr! What a silly doggy. I like that. That's very cute. They are definite derps. Is beauty, is grace, is fall on the face. Oh my god. Yeah. That. Oh, the expression on that animal's face. Oh dear. Yeah. Animals really have no dignity and they don't care. I mean, they'll face plant like that, get up, and then it's gone. The moment has passed and they don't care. It's a good thing. I wish people had that ability to do the same thing. But that was very cute, that expression. Love-hate relationship. Okay, after buffering and loading, here we go. No sound, but that's, oh. Oh dear. That is an abusive relationship with that stuffed animal. Hokey smokes. It's cute. It's not really abusive. It's just, it doesn't know what it is. It's just playing with a toy. That is cute though. That's a good doggy. They're all good doggies and good kitties. And good animals and all everything. He doesn't pop them or know how to rock around one, but balloons are his favorite. Okay, loading and buffering, here we go. Oh, that's a kitty. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. But why the weird stiff walk while doing that? It's so, my heart is melting. Oh my god. These are definitely animals being derps. Oh, but my heart is melting at each one of these. They are so, so cute, all of them. That's a lot of derps. Oh my, that is a lot of derps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. 7 little derps. Very, very cool. I like it. They're cute. I like babies. Babies are awesome. I like all babies. Baby people, baby animals. Babies are just cute. What can I say? Such a weirdo. Okay, loaded and buffered. Here we go. No sound. What? What is its tongue getting stuck on? Just the fur? That looks really weird. How bizarre. What a silly kitty. How odd. It's cute, but why would it do that? Because it's a weirdo. It's a kitty. When you still need your mama. Oh, it's a bird attacking, well, trying to get a maggot or larvae of some kind and just can't figure it out. Yeah, it's not just gonna fly in there. You gotta do the work. Oh, it's a learning process. You know, they gotta figure it out somehow. Raptor enclosure. Okay, it looks loaded and buffered. No sound, but there's the kitty. Oh no, and down it goes. Oh, I have seen cats do dumb stuff like that so many times. It's cute. I hope the kitty didn't get hurt, but cats have, given time and enough distance to fall, even falling like several stories will not grievously injure a cat given it time to move. They're light enough and small enough for their body mass. But it's funny, but not endearing. The disappearing human trick. Dogs have no concept of object permanence. And so, yeah, especially they're not incredibly visual creatures. They do a lot of stuff with their nose, so yeah, this would be surprising. But the nose knows. Figured it out. What a cute doggy, though. It is a good thing, even though it's very confused. What a silly doggy. It is a good thing. Still fits. Oh, it's one of those when it's so cute because when they get older, they don't know that they're bigger. They always feel the same. And so, yeah, that's where it liked to go when younger. It remembers. It doesn't know it's bigger. Ah, my heart is melting. Oh, good Lord, I'm gonna cry. I'm becoming overcome. This is just absolutely the complete wholesomeness subreddit. He completely just gave up. Oh, what a silly doggy. Let's see if I can get my pointer out of there so we can see that play without the bar going across. Yep. Once he started rolling, he was done. It's done. Nope, not gonna have any of it. Not at all. It is just amazing. They are so awesome. I love it all. My heart is melting. Dog doesn't like other cars. What a silly dog. I asked to bark at the threats. Oh, that is so silly. That is so cute. It is, I mean, it's all threat response and all that, but it's just, I'm being smothered internally by cuteness. It's amazing. Internal cuteness smothering. This is fine. Really? It must be a hot day. I mean, it's just settled right in, that doggy. It must be a really hot day. Oh, that is just so cute. That is just cute beyond words. Absolutely amazing. Doggo is not Zen. I assume because I'm over here and I can't see any controls, there's no sound, but yeah, that is a very, very silly dog. Being very, very silly at a time when perhaps silliness is not called for under human terms, because that is one silly, silly dog. Holy smokes. Can alligators be derps? I would say yes. I would definitely say yes. I mean, that is definitely an alligator or crocodile. They don't even eat watermelons, do they? They eat meat. What on earth is going on? Why does it even have a watermelon? Oh, the more I think about this one, the weirder it gets. We adopted this derp a week ago. He really likes snow. Buffering and loading issues, so let's try this again. That is a very, very silly doggy. I guess he really does like snow a whole bunch. That's pretty crazy. I like that a lot. That's very silly. And top of the month for Animals Being Derps. He's on a diet, but pretends to eat what his owner is eating. No sound and... lifted up the spoon and... That is so silly. What a good kitty. So silly. Well, I'd like to thank you very much for coming along with me on this journey of exploration. It is greatly appreciated. Definitely a thumbs up. This has been Animals Being Derps, and thank you for coming along with me. I love doing this sort of thing. My heart is still melting. I love doing this sort of thing, and if you have any subreddits you'd like to see me check out, please drop them down in the comments. You take care. Have a great day today. I will see you on the flip side, my friend, and that is a very good thing.